Iris enables every operator with a suite of tools to make PTZ framing cinematic and intuitive. In this video, we'll cover our magic movement tools and some tips on how to use them in your production. Let's get started. You'll find the magic movement tools right above the viewport after selecting your camera. If you don't see all the tools available, it's most likely that your camera needs to be calibrated, which you can find instructions on here. The cursor tool lets you pan, tilt, and zoom using your mouse and scroll wheel. Click and drag in your viewport to move your shot, and scroll to zoom in and out. Move your mouse around the screen to change direction, or hold it in one position and the camera will move to that point. To zoom into a specific location, hold your cursor there and scroll. The camera will pan, tilt, and zoom directly to that position. Movement speed depends on your cursor's position in the viewport. Move your cursor further from the center to speed up the camera. Move it closer to the center to slow it down. Click to center and Cinecenter, quickly center the camera on a specific point. With click to center selected, click anywhere in the viewport to instantly center your shot. Fast, simple, and effective for quickly reframing when speed matters. I can continuously click to recenter the shot within my viewport, and with Cinecenter, this camera smooths the acceleration while centering the shot. Great for fireside chats and talking head presentations. Let's give this a try. Fast frame and Cineframe are helpful for defining an end frame in real time. With fast frame, increase or decrease your desired framing by scrolling the mouse wheel. Once you reach your desired size, click once to preview your desired frame and click again to engage the movement. You can also double-click to immediately trigger the fast frame. Fast frame aims to use the fastest speed settings to get you to the position quickly. To contrast, Cineframe provides the same functionality but with synchronized pan, tilt, and zoom at slower speed. Perfect for a sweeping zoom during an interview or a keynote. Again, just define your end frame and you can double-click to trigger the movement. A favorite feature among experienced AV operators is the virtual joystick. It replicates the familiar fine movements of a hardware controller using only your mouse and keyboard. Gentle stage pans, quick audience reaction shots, and the occasional 2 inches to the left are made easy with far fewer button presses and knob turns. When active, the joystick arrow follows your cursor, allowing you to simply drag and have the camera follow. You can also use your scroll wheel to adjust the zoom. To adjust the joystick speed settings, head over to the control tray. You have 2 speed functions, fixed and variable. With fixed, you set a constant speed the camera moves at. With variable, you set the maximum speed the camera will reach, and then use the joystick to dynamically speed up or slow down depending on your cursor's position. A pro tip is you can engage the joystick at any time by holding the space bar. Upon releasing it, Iris jumps back to your last used tool, helpful for quick adjustments during a live event. Presets allow you to save and recall specific shot framing within Iris. To save a preset, just click the plus button to save it. Iris will take a snapshot of the preset and save it into the bottom tray. You can also double-click to rename a preset. Let's name this one Preset 1. To trigger a preset, just click the specific preset and your camera will move. It is as simple as that. There's no limit to how many presets you can save. We also created a few features to help better organize presets. You can drag and drop them to quickly reorder, or create a preset group to better organize them into key parts. For example, you could have a group of wide shots and tight shots. Or you could also save presets for different productions you run, like a concert or a theater performance run out of the same location. Presets are saved for each camera and also saved to your account. So anytime you're logged in, we will remember your presets. The presets let you save and recall specific shot framing within Iris. Our last tool is auto tracking, which works with any maker model of camera. To learn more about tracking, we have a separate tutorial which you can find here. Using these tools helps bring the power of a physical control surface to your mouse and keyboard, enabling intuitive control across all of your cameras.